Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 1 is multiplying basic fractions. It says half the dogs at the dog park today were wearing red collars. Of these, 3/5 were Labradors. What fraction of the dogs at the park were Labradors with red collars? So we know that half of the dogs were wearing red collars, and it says of these, 3/5 were Labradors. So we need to find 1/2 of the 3/5. So half the dogs at the park, and then the 3/5 that were labs. Of means multiply, so we're going to take 1/2 and multiply it by 3/5. To multiply fractions, we're just going to multiply across the top. 1 times 3 is 3. And multiply across the bottom. 2 times 5 is 10. And then see if we can reduce at the end. 3/10 is not reducible, and so our answer is 3/10 of the dogs at the park were Labradors with red collars.